So you've got your new website packages and you're ready to go live. Congratulations. It's really easy to overwrite your existing site with the website package you've been provided. And if you'll jump on the computer, I'll show you how.
Hi, in the included zip, there are 3 files. There is an installer.php. You should not need this. I've included it because it does come in useful, especially if your WordPress site breaks during the installation, and I'll explain that later in this video. You have your website package files. You'll need those as well. I've also included Duplicator. This is a WordPress plugin, and this is the preferred way of replacing your live site. It is easier to replace an existing WordPress website using Duplicator than it is to do anything else, and you won't have any downtime in the process of doing this. So to do this, I'm going to show you how to install it on your site. Right. First thing we need to do is go to Plugins and Add New. Click Upload Plugin and select that Duplicator file from the zip file I send. Click Install Now, and it'll take a second to upload the files and install the plugin. Okay, press Activate Plugin. The next step is to back up your current site. Duplicator is the same thing. So down here on the bottom, click Duplicator, click Packages. And now we're going to use Duplicator to create a backup of your website. So the first thing to do is click Create New in the corner. Click Next. And this will take a few moments to scan your website, find all the files that need backing up. Sometimes you might get a warning. If you do get a warning, 99% of the time, it's fine. Just check the box to say you accept the warning and then press Build Package. I'm not going to build the package because it does take a little while to build. Once it has built, you will have a package available in your packages, and you can download both files, which gives you the installer and the zip file for your current website. That is a fail-safe backup. You can use that installer file to restore that site wherever you want to, whether WordPress works or doesn't work. So keep that somewhere safe. Now, the next step is we're going to actually replace your site with the new site we've built. To do that, there's a setting we need to change first into Duplicator Pro, and then Settings, go to Import. Change this upload chunk to 10 megabytes very fast and press Save. Now, if we go to Import and we drag in the website package zip file, this will upload, and it'll upload a lot faster after we've changed that setting. Once the file is uploaded, you'll be presented with this page here to say it's ready to install. Press Continue. It'll give you a few warnings about a recovery point. You don't need to worry about that. You've created the backup, you've got a recovery point. So we press Launch Installer. Okay, on here, it's giving you a warning that's going to replace your existing database, and it will mean that any data in your current database is lost. That is okay. We have a backup that we've just taken of your existing database, so we can continue safely. At the bottom here, check to read you've read the terms and conditions and press Next. Finally, it's giving you a final warning that you're going to replace your existing database. Press OK. And it will go away and extract your backup into your current WordPress site and restore your database to the site if included in the backup files. Finally, it's done, and you can go and log into the admin. When you first log into the admin, the password will be the password supplied with the files. I highly recommend you change that password. And as long as this box is checked, it will remove a load of installer files for you at the same time.